Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Izabu bin Khairul Anwar. Okay, now I will talk about study area for this project. Our study is centered around the cross intersection with four lakes situated at Jalan Parit Sempadan Laut near Jamek Riyadus Solihin Mosque and Hotel Pinta in Parit Raja, Johor. This specific location, marked by the postal code 86400, serves as the focal point for our investigation, allowing us to delve into the dynamic of traffic, safety concern, and overall transportation aspect in this significant area. Okay, next is the objective for this project. First, to study the number of vehicles that run the red light in our group location. And second is to organize the data in a table for presentation. And lastly is to perform significant analysis of variance tests on descriptive data. Okay, now this is a flowchart of the activities we have done throughout the course of this project. First, we get started on compiling data relating to the issue of traffic violation. And next, we analysis problem, we evaluate the issues that will be recorded from the respondent. Next, we collect the data and analysis the data using descriptive and inferential statistics to analyze data. And then we go to discussion and conclusion for this project. This is the data for day ones that we have collect at our study area around 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Mostly the traffic violation happens by motorcycles and cars. This traffic violation usually happens because they are chase the yellow light. Okay, this is the data for day 2 at our study area. And around the same time, the data we found is almost the same as the first day, showing that mostly the traffic violation happened by motorcycles and cars.
Result and analysis for male. Range of time is 120 minutes. Okay, for the mean, we got 70.45. The mode 29.07. So the mode is 21 to 40 minutes. Median Q2, we get 39.5. The variance S2 2634.35. For standard deviation S, we got 51.32. First quartile Q1 14.75. Third quartile Q3 44.25. And the second quartile Q2 29.5. In this slide shows a box and whisker for the male data.
Okay, here is our result analysis for female. We take range of time from 1 minute to 1 hour 20 minutes. After we calculate, we get for mean is 56.05 and for mode is 18.83. This mode is between 1 to 20 minutes. And then we get the amount of median, which is 28. After that, we calculate for variance, which is we got 3,700.27 and standard deviation is 60.83. From the data we get, we decide to choose box and whisker method. So for first quartile, which is 14, second quartile, we got 27.25 and last third quartile is 41.45. Okay, here is our distribution analysis for both gender, and then we calculate the Z value and we get Z value is 1.205. Okay, here is our S distribution. We decide to choose one way algebra test. So for total TC is 117 and TC square is 5,507, and C is 24. This is square over MC is 935.9, and lastly, total for X2 is 949. Okay, so one way another test, we need to find the F ratio. But before that, we need to calculate the sum of square total, which is we get 378.63. And then we calculate the sum of square treatment, which is we get 365.53. For sum of square error, we need to sum of square total minus to sum of square treatment, and then we get 13.1. Based on that value, we get the F ratio, which is 186.02. And then we place the F ratio into ANOVA table for within and between. And lastly, we get the total for sum of square is 744.16, and degree of freedom is 23.
Hello, my name is Sharmimi, and today I'm going to present about our discussion that we get in our study project. So, in the vicinity of Jalan Parit Sepadan Laut near Jamek Riyadus, Solihin, Mosque and Hotel Pintar at intersection, illegal turns on the freeway pose significant risk, potential leading to various collision or disruption to oncoming traffic. However, there's a limited research on the hazard caused by driver attempting illegal turns on controlled access roads like freeways and toll highways. At this location, illegal turns typically involves cars maneuvering across dividing lanes or using median openings or crossover intended only for authorized vehicle. To analyze this, we employed descriptive statistic calculating mode, median, mean, variance, and standard deviation for several factors. The frequency of illegal turns in the restricted area per week, accident resulting from illegal turns, yearly fines, penalties due to illegal turns, and awareness of road signs before an illegal turn. Our analysis further incorporates statistical methods such as random probability distribution, significant testing, two-sample hypothesis testing, and analysis of variance ANOVA. ANOVA specifically scrutinizes data on illegal turns per week, accident occurrence, fines, and awareness of road sign. Additional SB examine the correlation between the total daily illegal turns and gender, male and female, categories within the sample. Employing a significance of level of 0.05, we aim to a certain difference in mean illegal turning scores among genders. And following another analysis where the calculated F value is 186.02 exceeded the critical F value is 3.10, we rejected the null hypothesis. This supports the conclusion that population means aren't all equal, indicating varied mean score among different types of vehicle making illegal turns in the restricted area, especially concerning males and the recorded time of occurrence. So I'm going to present about the conclusion, and the conclusion is this project presents a comprehensive analysis of traffic violation, particularly focusing on illegal turns at specific location at Jalan Parit Sempadan Laut near Jamek Riyadus Solihin Mosque and Hotel Pintar at the four-leg intersection in Parit Raja. Data collection involved an observational method aimed at determining the daily count of illegal turns over a 2-day period. The approach to gathering this data as instructed encompasses both inferential and descriptive methods for analysis, and statistically typical fall into two main categories: descriptive and inferential. Descriptive statistics involve organizing, tabulating, and summarizing data to provide a useful insight. In contrast, inferential statistics delve into data analysis and interpretation, enabling statisticians to draw a meaningful conclusion from the gathered information. Our collected data primarily underwent descriptive analysis based on vehicle types or male and gender, determining the mean variance and standard deviation The analysis begins ANOVA method in composing statistical models and estimation procedure to analyze difference among group means in sample was employed. Calculating F values through described step ANOVA allowed for comparison analyzing using various statistical methods taught in class. This project highlights the extensive scope of statistics within civil engineering, demonstrating its significance both theoretically and practically. Collaborative teamwork facilitated diverse perspectives and ideas among our group, so ensuring adherence to instruction and criteria provided by the instructor in crafting the report.